Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you a login and register page using Django. So let's run the python space manager.py space server file. So this will be the code like index utils views.py and the settings.py, and the first one is form.py. So this will be the complete code. So let's run. User have to just copy that particular URL and paste in any browser. So it will open the login page. User first have to create the sign up, enter the name, email ID, password, and confirm password. So password will show in the star format. The two password field didn't match. So if you don't write the same password in the password and confirm password, then it will show that error message. And then click on the register button. Yeah, login register successfully. So let's log in with the same email ID and password. Welcome to our system. This is the home page. Okay, just click on the login, and if you click on the logout, then it will also again open the login page. If you enter the wrong username, then it will show error, wrong username and password. This is the complete login and sign up form. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.